Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Jimmy AA back again, once again for another one again, and in today's video I got something special for you guys. So a company came in contact with me and wanted me to review one of their latest products. Here I am, and here's Thinking's USB Capture Card. We all know by now that Elgato's and capture cards in general have been just getting too expensive nowadays. So I got you guys with that budget alternative, you know? I would even have the audacity to say that it's one of the best ones under 40. So when I picked up the box, I was surprised because it even came in the box, ladies and gentlemen. I've ordered 2 other capture cards in the past and literally they came in like plastic bags. It was kind of nice actually getting a box for once. The box is made out of the same thing nice playing cards are made out of. It looks pretty generic. I don't really have any problem with it. There's not much to say about the box. Here on the back we have all the features. It says that we could take a 4K signal, but there is a catch. The loop out can only output 1080p 60, which basically means that the output HDMI cable that goes to your TV will only do 1080p 60. So I would say that this is ideal for consoles like the PS4 and the Nintendo Switch that really aren't pushing out 4K like that. But for consoles that do output 4K, they will end up being downscaled, so keep that in mind. One thing that makes this capture card stand out compared to the other ones on the market is that it's a little bit unique, a little quirky if you will, in the fact that it's one of the few that actually records in 1080p 60, unlike most capture cards. So looking at the capture card, it's very small and compact and would be great if you need to carry it around, right? So you just stuff it in your gear bag and just forget about it, right? Looking at the aluminum case, you can see that there's a good amount of ports. So there are 2 HDMI ports, 1 input and 1 output. And if we flip it around, this is where things get a little saucy. So we get a USB-A port for sending the signal to the computer. We get a power light indicator. And then we get 2 aux ports. One is the line in to get an audio into the capture card, and one is for audio out. Real quick, if you're going to be using the PS4 to record, I would highly recommend getting a Elgato chat link cable, because then you could get live stereo sound from the controller and still use your headset that you would normally use to talk to your friends in party chat. You wouldn't believe it, but the user manual is actually a crucial step with this because it explains how to get your capture card up and running. No dirt, but there has been cases where there's user manuals of these capture cards where it doesn't tell you how to set up the audio portion or what software you should even use. So this the user manual is pretty good with telling you exactly what you need to do, and even shows you the right software you should be using. So make sure you don't throw it away, give it a good read so you could actually learn how to set it up right. I've been stressing this capture card on my live streams over on my Twitch channel. Really just haven't even ran into any hiccup. That's with hours of continuous use. That is a stress test. If it's gonna break, it would break within those continuous hours of use. That cannot be said about other capture cards, because wanna know why I know that? Because one of the capture cards that I got from Amazon was kind of trash, right? It literally would just die on me midstream. It was so stressful. It made me want to not live. It was pretty much just plug and play, and I've never thought to check up on it again just because how well it worked. It honestly helps with the stress of just not if your video not dying on you mid game, or your stream just gets cut off because it's not sending audio or it's not sending video to OBS. Props to the people who made this capture card for actually getting it right. So looking at the footage, god damn! You're telling me that for 40 bucks I get all of this? Shit! I remember when I used to use the Easy Cap back in the day, and it was just straight up booty, bro. Things have changed in the budget range, I can tell you that for sure. I want to make it clear though, it is no Elgato, but the quality you are getting for the price makes it a viable option, especially if you're just trying to start in the first. One thing I did notice live streams or recordings, that if you zoom in on text, the text is a little fuzzy, but other than that, it's perfect for streaming. It's perfect for streaming YouTube videos or just recording off your TV. In conclusion, I think this is a perfect stepping stone to get your YouTube content creation career started, or even if you later down you want to upgrade your capture card. This is it's 40 bucks. It's not gonna hurt the wallet. It's not gonna hurt your soul paying them 40 bucks. Honestly, I love what it provides with my setup. It just lets me just have peace of mind. I can just have it on my my desk and not have to worry about it anymore. So that's why I'm just gonna keep it on my as what my main capture card for my streaming / recording needs. And alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like, and might even consider yourself, maybe subscribing, just putting it out there. It would honestly make my day. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.